I am so grateful to have a loving relationship with my specific person. My specific person is madly in love with me. They cannot stop thinking about me and about us. I am always on their mind. I am always in their heart, morning, noon and night. They are always thinking about our cute little moments with each other. I am the first thing they think about in the morning and the last thing on their mind when they fall asleep at night. They always thinking cute little ways to make me smile and happy. I am their first priority. They are very considerable about my feelings. They are always aware of their actions and tone when they are with me. They're always concerned with how am I doing, how am I feeling. They make me feel happy. They make me feel so comfortable. They make me feel so special and lovable. I feel unconditional love when I talk to them. I am their world. I feel like we have known each other for our entire lives. Every time I am with them, I just feel at ease. I feel peace and sense of calmness with them. I am confident. I feel freedom with them. It is the most amazing and wonderful feeling. I feel fulfilled. I feel love. I feel happy. I feel beautiful and sexy. I feel attractive. I feel wanted. I feel valuable. I feel special. They make me feel like I am the only person in their life who is the first priority. I am their first priority. They keep me above everything. I know they have eyes on me and I am the only person they can even see themselves with. When they imagine their future, it's with me by their side. They just want me. They love everything about me. They love everything that I do. They love what I have to say and they love hearing my opinions. We have long conversations for hours and we love talking to each other. We trust each other. We understand each other. They understand me and I understand them. I feel like I can be myself without any judgment with them. I feel I can just finally relax and let someone take the weight off my shoulders. I feel like $1 million. I feel pampered and loved. I feel incredible with my specific person. I feel beautiful. I feel wanted. I feel perfect. I feel excited. They always tell me how they feel or share thoughts with me without even asking. They trust me blindly. They trust me. They open their heart. They share their feelings without any hesitation with me. They communicate with me freely. They know exactly what I want from them. And I don't even have to tell them. Whatever I am thinking, they are already thinking about because I am selecting a version of them that already likes me. I am choosing or picking up a version of them that thinks I am the most beautiful person in the entire world. I am selecting a version of them that knows what they want, and that is me. I am choosing a version of them that is madly in love with me. I am selecting a version of them that is ready to be in a committed relationship with me. And we are experiencing love together. Our love is unfolding every single day more and more, deeper and better, and more passionate and more intimate, more loving, more nurturing, more trust, more acceptance, more value. We get each other. We are here for each other. We are one team. We are each other's rock. We go to each other when we are in need. We go to each other when we are having a bad day. We go to each other when we are having a good day. We are the first person that we think about when something goes wrong and when something goes great. Our relationship is reciprocal. They give me exactly what I give them. There is a give and a take, and we both are comfortable giving and we both are comfortable at taking. It is so amazing to be in a beautiful relationship like this. I feel loved, I feel wanted, I feel desired, I feel I am chosen first. I am their number one, I am their number one priority. I am the first person they pick every single time. Yes, I am the one for them. Their family adores me, their friend adores me, we all get along so well. It's like we have all been friends for years. It is the most amazing relationship I have ever experienced. I am so excited to see how this is unfolding beautifully. I am so excited to keep going down this road with this my beautiful specific person. No matter what, I can always continue to select a version of them that is madly, truly in love with me. Thinking about me all the time, sending me text, leaving me cute notes, emojis, buying me gifts and surprises, planning to make me feel more special, planning vacation, planning secret dates. They are always planning to do something to make me feel special, adored, and happy. They are always thinking about me, and I am their first priority. They are here for me, they are with me, they are 100% committed. This relationship is unfolding beautifully, amazingly, perfectly. Every single day it gets better and better and better. Every single day we fall more and more madly in love with each other. The universe has brought me the most amazing person to share my life with, and I can't thank enough to the universe for this beautiful blessing, for this beautiful relationship. My relationship is perfect and I claim this. I am open to receive. I am full of positive energy, and this relationship is a blessing in my life. It's a plus point, and I'm so grateful for this.